Hey guys, how to make a TikTok auto scroll. So first of all, go ahead and open up the TikTok app on your device. Alright, and then just for your page, just scroll to browse videos, right? And then use the auto script for advanced users. If you want to use a script or animation tools, this usually requires coding knowledge or using browser extension, right? You could note, be cautious because this violates TikTok's terms of service, right? Simply sit back and let the app autoplay as you watch new content. And for most users, the built-in autoplay feature will automatically show new videos as you finish watching current ones. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.